Hello, Sarah from One-Eyed Cat Online Marketing again, and here we are with the 12th item on the checklist, the Ultimate Google Ads Checklist for e-commerce. Today's checklist item is have you disabled auto ad suggestions in your account? So what Google does is, as by default, it will basically, if it doesn't think you've got enough ads in your ad groups, it will automatically add new ones for you. So it'll write new ads and then enable them and set them running in your ad groups. Now, there are a lot of things that I trust sort of the machine to do, or a machine to do, but at this stage I don't think writing ad copy is going to be one of them. So that's something that we need to have control of. That's something that we need to be proactively testing and, you know, comparing, finding the best one and then writing another one to try and beat that one, pausing the loser, writing a new one. And we need to be in control of that, because obviously we understand the product, we understand the market, we understand the target audience. A machine can't do that. All it can, and I don't know what it can do, is look at what you've already got in your ads and maybe jumble it about a little bit and produce something. But anyway, that's not something that you want to have running in your account. But as a default setting, it will automatically add these ad groups. It will send an email, but not everybody kind of notices or gets the emails from their AdWords account, or they won't necessarily register what it's saying. And if you don't then actively go in and say, no, don't apply these, it will, after a set period, automatically apply these new ads to your ad group. So we'll dive into the interface now, and I'll show you where you need to go to check to see what setting you have and how to disable that. So in your Google Ads interface here, if you just go to the sort of campaigns page here and then click on settings on the left, and then you want to click on account settings at the top here. One of the options is ad suggestions here. So you will see, as it says here, set to auto apply 14 days after notification. So it will send you a notification. If you don't go in and stop it, it will automatically add those new ads after 2 weeks. So basically all you do is just select it here, don't automatically apply ad suggestions. You don't need to give the reasons, and then just hit save. And then the only new ads that will be added to your ad groups are the ones that you write and that you want to test against the existing ads in your campaign. So that's the checklist item for today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for updates on latest videos and trainings that will be posted there. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video tomorrow. Don't forget, you can download the whole checklist underneath the video. Any questions, leave a comment and we'll do our best to get back to you. Take care now.